Practice from Prosper. In this video, this is the Python lesson mode, and we will be learning how to open PyCharm with Python and how to make variables. Don't skip the video so you can receive all the information I have made. I am using PyCharm, which is an open source, free to use IDE. Install the PyCharm. You need to go to the description and I gave a link where you can download the PyCharm for your OS version like Mac, Windows and Linux and many. And I will give you this link so you want to go here and you want to choose your version and click download and it will start to download as you can see. Same way, I will give this link also so you can download the Python latest version by clicking this and it will start to download. And until it download, you can choose the PyCharm files. After you go to your PyCharm, click here of your files and new Python file. It will create a Python file for you. Then name the Python file as a main file or your wish. Now the Python file is open. Now let's begin with type x equal to 10 name equals to Pragatish or codes Pragatish. Then next price equal to 90.99 and is online is equal to true. In Python, that true is on here, so with this. Now let's yeah. In Python, a variable is like a container where you can store data. See here, x is storing a number, name is storing a text, price is storing a decimal number, and is online is storing true or false value. So variables help program remember information. And why do we use variables? What is important about variables? Imagine a calculator that forgets the number to type, or a game that doesn't remember your high school, or a shopping site that doesn't remember the price of a product. Without variables, none of these things would work. That's why variables are super important in our program. Next, types of data stored in variables. In Python, variables can store different types of data. Let's see a few examples. Now, this is an integer. And why I am putting this? Because we put hashtags at the first. So, the main code will ignore it because it's a comment for the code. X is an integer because it's storing whole numbers like 1 to 100. 1 is a string. So, because it stores a text inside quotes. See here, Pragadish and here are double quotes. You can use double quotes or single quotes. Next, price is a float because it's a decimal number like 5.8, 3.14, 19.99. And next one is an boolean, and it stores true or false. Next, how to name a variable. These are the rules. Now, tell it this. Username is equal to don't use. If don't use caps space instead of use this. So, and brackets and quotes and Pragatish. Username is Pragatish. User age equal to 12. Now these are the rules. Names must start with a letter or an underscore. It want to start with an names or an underscore. And here's an equal sign. And the next rules is no spaces. No spaces are allowed. Use this underscore so you can read the word easily. Not like this. Like this, we can't read it easily, so we are using this. And there are no spaces are allowed. And next, no special symbol like at, dollar symbol, question mark are used in this. Python is a case sensitive, so score and score are different. Like this, uh, print score. Uh, not we are not using score, so we are using user user name. Now, if we run this, well, there is no username in that. See, there is no nothing there. And if we use the correct, it will show Pragatish because username is Pragatish. Right. The next thing we are talking about is assigning and reassigning the variables. For this, let's take an example like score is equal to 100 and E 800. Print score print score like this. Now let's run the code. See here, it's showing 100. And if I change it, it will show me the correct thing. You can change the value of the variable at any time. Here, score was first 100. Then I changed into 200. Python just updates it. This is called reassigning a variable. It's like rearranging the old information and writing new information in the box. Like replacing. Next, we are making mini practice together. A simple program. For this, let's code. For this, let's code name is equal to Alice. So equal to brackets and quotes because we are defining a name Alice and next is this is equal to 22. Country is USA. Next is print, print. My name is quotes. Quotes is important. My name is now after the quotes a comma and name. It these both are want to be same, so now it will work. And the next is my age. My age is I want to print age, so age. The next one is my country is the country. Now let's run this code. See here, my name is Alice. My age is 22 and my country is USA. Now, now we learn about variables and this is the end of our section. Now let's go to the finance.
Hope sure you like my videos and don't forget to check on my more Python lessons so you can get more information. And once again, thank you for watching.